Oh, oh.
Yeah, look at your big ass forehead.
Oh.
Yo, Nick, I know what you're thinking right now.
I drink till I'm drunk, smoke till I'm high, castle on the hill, wake up in the sky, you can't tell me I ain't fly.
Hey yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. For some reason Crimson Bullet 99 doesn't like when I do intros, so fuck you Crimson. Nah. But today we are trying to do something new, I guess, and try to do cinematic shots because you know prom's coming up, so we're gonna be dressing up nice today for school. That's the first fit, but you know I already got a planned outfit for the cinematics. This is just what I'm wearing to it, you know, and then I'm gonna just change, I guess. But yeah, so I hope I do good with the cinematics, and you guys enjoyed the video. I don't know what else we're doing. We're just wearing suits to school first, and then I don't know, we might do something else. But yeah, bang inventory update, you know, gotta give you guys an update. You know, we got some outside, so they stay cold. You know, those ones are cold. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. Hit that like button, subscribe if you guys are new, hit that share button, help me out a little bit. Yeah, enjoy the video. Yeah,
we're gonna do like the intro, Tyler, where all three of us are like together and we'll be like, oh yeah, today we dripping out for no reason, guys.
Today we're gonna be fucking with Robert's car.
Yeah,
this is part 2. You didn't see the first part, but
the first
we
part
already
was
fucked with this car before.
It happened.
We're gonna try and figure out how to remove his seats entirely.
I was scared you were gonna wear a tie, because then I'd have to go back home and grab a tie.
I was like, I could wear a tie, but they probably don't have ties, so I just didn't wear it.
Yeah.
The summertime suit, that's why it's not really matching me. You know, summertime suit, you know, you get that.
It's just summertime, so you can tan all over.
Yeah.
Don't worry about it, girl.
Alright guys, today we're all dressed in suits.
As you can see.
As you can see. You got something to say?
Hold on, everybody 360.
Yeah, we're gonna get some cinematic shots.
Yeah,
Cinematic.
Cinematic.
You know, we all dripped out though.
We is dripped out though.
You know, we got the inside pockets for our guns.
Can I use you as a wall?
Yeah, man.
We got a little rip right there, but it's all good.
Do I really?
Yeah. See it real quick?
Hey, show me the. Wait, can you see the rip?
It's just kind of noticeable.
Is it noticeable?
Not if you're
like turn around?
not fucking around.
Yeah, if you're not fucking around.
I'll be like doing classwork and it's just like.
Yeah. It just rips like as you're doing classwork.
Like writing.
Yo, what is good, bro? You like the drip?
Yeah. Keep the drip.
Keep the drip though.
Why are y'all wearing?
Drip check. Drip check. Drip check. Chain check though.
It's Shorty.
Sorry. That's not gonna stop me. Okay. Do it. It actually stopped. What the fuck? Oh. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Yo, let me see the drip though. Drip check.
I don't have suit pants.
A drip check though.
I'm lacking.
Drip check.
Y'all niggas look official, man. Fuck.
Yeah, I know. We in the motherfucker like a motherfucker funeral. Yo, you look like a black man that made in a boat company. So hold on,
like you better operate a boat or something.
Why are you looking at my cock right now? Yo, guys, MylesDEarly is gay.
Hurry up, bro.
Yo, you fuck with the undies though?
Damn.
On the roof.
Fat,
You fuck with.
Oh wait, I didn't even see the pants on though. Yo,
I just seen
Why
this
you
nigga's
looking?
pubes,
why did you give him your pants?
I need
Will
them
we all
waves.
get do-rags though real quick?
All right, tomorrow we're all wearing. We're
can't-
dressing like
you
we're in the
can't-
hood.
You can't.
All right.
We can't wear
It's
do-rags.
Wednesday, nigga.
Oh damn.
Yeah. But
That ass is fat. Sorry.
Whoa.
Working wonders over there, man. Sorry.
What you
That didn't
looking
even
at,
make
bro?
yo,
Sir.
Caitlin's mom, no.
Nigga, that ass is ponderous.
Yeah, no, I
Fucking in your tie.
Oh, should I wear a tie? Nah, this one doesn't match my tie.
Oh, we're just dripping out.
Yo, you might need to adjust your tie just a little bit.
Like, I did this shit 2 minutes.
I know.
You also didn't do it right. You got a tie too?
Yeah, but I don't know how to do it.
I have a tie at home.
I'm a fellow black man.
I don't have to tie.
Yo,
dude.
Miles, can you tie my tie?
I don't know.
I don't have a tie, dude.
In like 2 minutes.
Damn, I
Say hi
should
to the
have.
vlog.
Your shit kind of bugged up, but I mean,
He's like, oh, so you wear a tie to misplace your father?
okay.
Don't put that in. So fucked up.
Holy shit. Yo, how the tie look, guys? I'm looking spit beyond. Yeah, I'm probably just not going to wear a tie.
Yeah, don't worry.
Just don't wear a tie. Dude, I feel drippy right now. Yo, we got to bust out the camera. We busting out the camera today. Yo, if you were dressing nice, you could be in the pic, bitch ass nigga. Yeah.
I like the GoPro though. Wait, can I see?
You press this button once.
Hold up. Let me get it. Beat the drip. When
you focus, press it.
You can't dress like Nick.
No, you can't.
Alright, let's
I know you.
My back hurts due to this backpack.
You all right, man? Ooh, shit.
Nigga, stop. What the fuck? Why is it?
To me, so call out my name. Call out my name when I kiss.
I dropped low, then I came up. I went down, then I got up.
Alright, guys, so today we're gonna be trying this out today.
We're gonna be trying this out for no reason.
No reason. Yo, Ben, can you record us?
Yeah, I got you.
Alright, bro.
Alright, pop the lid.
You got the homie Ben, he watches the vids.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, you just wasted 10 milliliters.
That shit kind of fire though.
Alright. It's not bad.
It's not that bad though. I'm gonna be honest. Kind of messy for me, you know, Tbratt11. But it's pretty good.
Nah, it tastes like shit.
Yeah, aftertaste is shit. That's why we got CC lemon on our hands. Yeah, Ben, how many bitches do you get on a norm?
How many bitches you get on the norm?
What do you say to the girls when you walk up to them to date?
When you walk up to the date?
Haven't been on a date once, so I can't answer.
Yo, guys, hit up Ben. Can you believe Ben hasn't been on a date yet?
Can you tell Ben to work out?
Yeah, Ben said that he hasn't been on a date yet.
Working here is enough of a workout.
Ben, work out with us.
Ben, we can all work out
Ben,
with
I
someone.
will drive you to this gym.
I can just.
Ben, you're not gonna walk. You're gonna drive with me to the gym.
Yeah,
and
what
we're
did you
gonna
get
work
rear-ended
out.
or something? Alright guys, we got the drip check real quick.
Fuck you, nigga.
What about me?
Well, cooking with Tbratt part 17. What are we making? What are we making?
Biscuits.
Biscuits. We got Glock Boy DR on the sticks. I don't know why she gets so mad at him though. Oh, look at these two. Oh.
Keep her acting like that.
Yo, what's up, Tyga? Tyga's never in the vid. Come here, Tyga. Come here, Tyga. Say what's up.
Say it. Come on.
Okay.
Who gave her the hickey?
What?
I think
Who gave her the hickey?
Trey did.
I didn't even know she had.
Trey did.
No, I did not.
Over to help her with some math problems. And
It just happened.
She has hickey all over her neck.
K-Dog getting in, huh? POV, whipping that shit up.
put more flour on it like that.
Why? That one looks nasty.
No, like throw
Yours
it.
is nasty, bro.
Throw the sugar.
The flour onto your parchment paper.
Wait, do we put sugar on it?
We can make cinnamon.
What are you working on?
Cream sauce.
Isn't it fire?
Isn't it beautiful?
I made tea.
Okay. Hey, yo, we got Miles early. We got fucking this pussy up.
Miles said I can punch him and he won't hit me back.
If it hurts, I'm gonna beat your ass.
Okay. Well then, why?
Punch me in my chest. Come on.
Okay. So you won't hit me back.
Go ahead, bro.
Cooking with Tbratt11 part 6. You already know it's good.
Hey, Tbratt. What? I'm back again. Eating good food.
Choreo, did you seriously just say Choreo, are you seriously saying
Saying the word.
Okay, bro. These.
No, you did. Come on. No, you did.
Jane, you whipping up some spaghetti?
Oh, damn.
Explain to him what you're whipping up right now.
Hamburger gravy.
Is it hamburger gravy?
Yeah, that's what Chef said. It's just the ground beef.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Is this shit bust?
Get out of here!
What are you out right now?
I can't.
Your mouth is down, so that means you already tried it.
I did not. I was trying the.
You're not gonna try it.
This shit bullshit,
Get out of here. Get your.
Tbratt, stop.
I was just trying it out too.
Shoe fly. Go away. Go away.
Oh, because we're black, we gotta go away.
Stop.
That's
I'm
on God.
retarded. What the?
Here, fine, just.
I don't like that I can see myself.
I will finish my sentence. All right, finish my sentence.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Salt and vin.
No.
Salt.
Nope.
Salt and.
Salt and vin.
Stop trying
Vin?
to get me to say racial
Salt and
vin.
slurs.
Yeah, Coriel. What the heck?
This one's mine, by the way. I'm just claiming it now.
That's looking more.
I made this one on purpose for me.
Are those good?
That shit look dry, man.
Are they good? They look dry.
Look right back.
They're pretty.
Yeah.
She cooked it all.
What are you doing? Don't break it, baby.
Literally videotape my ass cheeks.
You're fucking weird for that, bro.
Weird.
You're fucking weird. No, they should have about a bust with the honey. Wait until you put honey in it, nigga.
You do? I don't know. But like, I don't know walking away.
Slack. Oh.
Yeah, look at your big ass forehead.
Oh.
Yo, Nick, I know what you're thinking right now.
Oh.
POV? Wait. You ain't gonna. Which one do you want? What do you gotta say since you watched the vids too? You heard most of them.
I like them. Pretty nice.
This nigga whipping. Is this game fun? What all do you do? Just whip?
Fuck around. That's on God, nigga.
Can you say it? That's all.
Say it.
No.
that's on God, nigga?